I am Tushar Roy, Chemistry Honours, student of Mathemata College. Today we will be discussing here Riemann-Tiemann reaction. First we should be discuss what is Riemann-Tiemann reaction. The Riemann-Tiemann reaction is chemical reaction used for the ortho formulation of phenol. In this particular reaction, two alkali solution are one NaOH to KOH. As an example, phenol react with chloroform in the alkali solution NaOH produces two products ortho and para hydroxybenzaldehyde ortho product is the major product. In this reaction mechanism, when chloroform attacked with base produces water and CCl3 minus. Chlorine act as a leaving group, so at last the product is dichlorocarbon. The mechanism of the reaction involves electrophilic on the highly reactive phenoxide ring by dichlorocarbon. In basic medium, phenol react with base and produces phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion is a highly reactive in this reaction and it is more stable. Now negative charge attack this bond attack to carbon, and this negative charge attack to dichlorocarbon and produces ortho product. The mechanism of the reaction involves electrophilic on the highly reactive phenoxide ring by dichlorocarbon. The highly electrophilic dichlorocarbon attacks the active ortho position of the phenoxide ring to form an unstable intermediate, which by a proton shift and this bond is delocalized in ion containing a dichloromethyl group. This product react with base and remove 2 mole HCl and produces the unstable alkene. This remove water and produces aldehyde product. At last step in this reaction, this product hydrolysis and produces salicylaldehyde. Para isomer is obtained through the similar pathway. This reaction, instead of NOH, we used KOH. On reaction with NOH, phenol produces chelate compound but not it KOH. So phenol react with Riemann-Tiemann reagent and produces two product. This is the major product para and this is the minor product. When the reaction is carried out with a para-cresol, a cyclohexadione containing the dichloromethyl group, the abnormal product is obtained along with a normal product orthoaldehyde product. The formation of this abnormal product therefore suggests that the electrophile involved in Riemann-Tiemann reaction is dichlorocarbon. This is the important reaction. Dichlorocarbon is known to cause ring exception when pyrrole is subjected to the Riemann-Tiemann reaction, the abnormal product is obtained by the exception of this ring. This again suggests that the attacking entity in the Riemann-Tiemann reaction is dichlorocarbene. React with Riemann-Tiemann reagent and produces two products, pyrrole to aldehyde, the normal product, and 3-chloropyridine is the abnormal product. This abnormal product mechanism, this. The important application, Riemann-Tiemann reaction. 1. Indole react with Riemann-Tiemann reagent and produces indole 3-aldehyde. 2. Guaiacol react with Riemann-Tiemann reagent, produces vanillin. 3. Catazole react with Riemann-Tiemann reagent and produces 3,4-dihydroxybenzaldehyde. 4 number, this reagent and produces this. 5 number, 2-naphthol react with Riemann-Tiemann reagent and produces 2-hydroxy-1-naphthaldehyde. Last important application, phenol react with carbon tetrachloride in alkyl solution NOH, produces salicylic acid. With those examples, I have ended my discussion on Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Thank you.